Welcome to the PFD Performance YouTube channel. Pretty friggin' deadly.
All right. Well, Happy New Year, everyone. Got a little holiday growth. It's been a while. If I'm being honest, just hit a wall. Felt a little unmotivated, busy with wife and kids and the holidays and all the stuff, and then work's been crazy, so don't know what that was. But yeah, time to get after it, because sooner than I probably think, things are gonna get crazy, and I'm gonna wanna get this Opal back together and tested and tuned, because we've already signed up for Big Sky Race Week and for Miles of Mayhem. Big Sky Race Week's in June, so I got 6 months to get this together, get it tested, make it work, and then go have some fun. So just show you, this is where we left off. Not much has changed, a couple extra parts. But what I'm gonna get after today is cleaning things out. So I've got my gun cleaning kit out. I'm gonna crack open these oil passage plugs, and we're just gonna go to town through all the oil passages, crank included. We're just gonna do our best to make sure that we're rinsing everything out. I got a good jug of WD-40 and a pressurized sprayer, and I'm gonna have a spray container with some soapy water, and I've got the gun cleaning brushes, and we're just gonna try and make sure that whatever material was in here that went through and did stuff, and we can see the bearings, show that material went through and then more bearing material went somewhere. We're just gonna do our best to make sure all of that's gone, and then we're gonna try and put her back together. Just take a step back. I can't remember if I told you guys what we ended up doing, but we're changing the cam. So because we had that weird wear on the lifters, we decided we needed a new lifter set anyway, and so many guys are doing really good things with hydraulic short travel lifters, even on these big blocks. We went down just a tickle in lift, but I think we're still gonna make good power, and hopefully the reliability is improved. It's gonna be way less stress on all the drivetrain. Hopefully we can just end up with something that's super reliable and way less maintenance. So we're still waiting on the camshaft and the bearings, but while we're waiting on that, I figure let's get after cleaning up. I'll put you on time lapse and you can watch me clean for a bit. And I think we might be trying to do a little bit new approach to our time lapse music. Let us know what you think.
Grease stained hands and a wicked grin under the hood where the stories begin. Turning wrenches like a rebel king, making engines roar like they're ready to sing. I'm fixing cars in the garage at night. Sparks are flying, it's a fiery sight. Pretty friggin' deadly with a wrench in hand, the kind of danger you don't understand. The radio's busted, but I hum the tune. Oil slick shadows dance under the moon. Pistons pumping like a heart on fire. Building beasts that'll never tire. Clean stained hands and a wicked grin under the hood where the stories begin. Turning wrenches like a rebel king, making engines roar like they're ready to sing. I'm fixing cars in the garage at night. Sparks are flying, it's a fiery sight. Pretty friggin' deadly with a wrench in hand, the kind of danger you don't understand. Blowing steel down my deadly friends, in the wild machines that never end. Gasoline dreams and a pocket of screws, every bolt tightened to chase down the blues. I'm fixing cars in the garage at night. Sparks are flying, it's a fiery sight. Pretty friggin' deadly with a wrench in hand, the kind of danger you don't understand.
All right, the fumes are getting to me. So there we go. We got things cleaned up. 1 second. Well, that's a little better. So we got things cleaned up. I don't know if it's as good as a machine shop with a jet tank or hot tank or any of the fancy words, but we definitely got some soap and water squirted through, I think, all the spots. Took the rifle barrel cleaner and squeegeed back and forth where we could. And yeah, rinsed it all out, and then took some WD-40, and hopefully we prevent the rust. So I'm gonna tidy up some tools here. I'll double check, make sure that once this is all dry, there's no rust forming, and it shouldn't, because there's the 40th formula for the water displacement, keeping all the water away. But I think that's gonna do it for tonight. Next step is gotta go to the old Home Depot and get some Varsol, and then we're gonna hone things up, do another cleaning, and I think from there we can start to get to some reassembly. So I'm looking forward to that. Clean up this table, clean up some mess, and start putting stuff back together hopefully soon. So I'll do some tidying. You don't need to watch me put tools away, and I'll try and get back to you sooner than this one. Thanks again for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, all that fun YouTuber stuff. I know we haven't been up with the videos, but if you guys can share this and spread the word, I would really appreciate it. It's going to help us continue to do some of this fun stuff and hopefully start to do bigger and better things. Thanks everyone for watching. Stay deadly.
I'm fixing cars in the garage at night. Sparks are flying, it's a fiery sight. Ready, flinging deadly with orange in hand.